How to use the metronome in Soundation. First of all, open your Soundation project. At the top of your screen, you will see the metronome button. It looks like a small clock or a ticking symbol. Once you find it, simply click on it and the metronome will be activated, giving you a steady beat to follow. After turning on the metronome, you can adjust the tempo. To do this, click on the tempo value at the top of the screen. You can manually type the desired tempo. Next, you can customize the sound of the metronome. Click on the metronome icon again and explore different sound options. This feature is especially helpful if you want a more distinct or subtle click sound while working, depending on your preference and the type of music you are creating. If you only want the metronome to play while you are recording, you can toggle a setting to make sure it doesn't sound during playback. This ensures that the metronome won't interfere with your listening experience while you are reviewing your track. And that's it. Now you know how to use the metronome in Soundation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.